finished our pineapple skewers, and you'll see them when we plate this dish in the next clip. But we've braised the Hawaiian pork, and it's time to finish that. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to make a slurry. A slurry is a liquid mixture intended to thicken a sauce. So we want to thicken this Hawaiian pork sauce. A slurry includes cornstarch, usually. Just 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And usually it would be cornstarch and stock or cornstarch and water. But in this case, we're going to make a delicious coconut milk slurry. And we're going to whisk that together. Just cornstarch and a liquid. In this case, it's coconut milk, light coconut milk. I'm going to put a little bit more. Turn this down a little bit. We're going to whisk this in. Let's add it. Oh, this dish smells terrific. I wish you could smell it. Well, you'll just have to make it, and then you'll be able to smell how wonderful garlic and pork and lemongrass and ginger. I'm going to add that. And you see the sauce thickens up immediately. Okay, we're going to just simmer that a little bit longer, and it's time to eat. In the next clip, we're going to plate our delicious dish.